Hello sir,
Hello.
can I ask you some question?
Okay, you may ask.
When do you smile?
Yeah, I would like to tell you that it is a good question for me. Smile is something that come out from the heart and mind. When we are mentally fit or when we are physically fit and when somebody encourages to us or when we are getting achievement after doing hard struggle, we feel very happy or that time smile comes out from our mouth or from our lips.
When do you feel gloomy?
Yeah, I would like to tell you that if somebody discourages me and if somebody comment me, criticize me, scold me, then that time I feel very gloomy.
Whom do you love?
Actually, matter is that first of all, I love myself, then I love to others. So those who do not love themselves, they cannot love to others. So I love myself, then I love to my motherland, India, then I love to my all Indian citizens and love my parents, those who given me life and brought me to the world. So in this way, I distribute my love with all.
Yes sir. Whom do you hate?
Yeah, I would like to tell you that, and if somebody discourage me and speak me lie, try to cheat me, I hate to them.
Whom do you see in the hospital?
Yeah, I would like to tell you that I see many people when I go to hospital, like doctors, patients, nurses, and compounders, sweepers, and chemists, pathologists, etc.
Whom do you see in the temple?
When I go to temple, I see many people like priest and devotees, then shopkeeper, sweeper, and idol of god and goddess, etc.
Sir, what do you do on Sunday?
Nothing, just Sunday is a holiday. It gives me leisure time to do the entertainment. Sometimes I watch TV and sometimes watch news and sometimes I work in the garden to look after the plants. If I have an extra time, sometimes I go to shopping mall and for the shopping.
Sir, this is an excellent question. Who is your philosopher?
I would like to tell you that my father is my philosopher.
Sir, who is your role model?
My mother is my role model.
Sir, whom do you admire?
I admire to Lord Jagannath because I belong to Odisha and Odisha is the land of Lord Jagannath and my blood is Odia, my heart is Odia and that's why I admire to Lord Jagannath and he is my favorite god.
Sir, what are there in Bhubaneswar?
There are so many things in Bhubaneswar because you know that Bhubaneswar is the capital city of India. This is the smart city of India. In spite of that, this is also known as the temple city of India. And where we can see many kind of temple like Rajarani temple, Lingaraj temple, ISKCON temple, Ram temple. And in spite of that, Vijayapatnam airport and Utkal University are the famous place in Bhubaneswar. And after all, we can see Nandankanan Zoo, Patanisamudra Planetarium, Khandagiri, Udayagiri Mountain, Dhauli Hill, etc.
Sir, what are there in Puri?
There are so many things in Puri like Gundicha temple and Sri Mandir, like Jagannath temple and many other temple like Loknath temple and Golden Gauranga, Mata Matha, sea beach and Narendra Pond are the favorite attraction of the tourists. In spite of that, we can also see the Swargodwar in Puri.
Sir, what are there in Kotak?
There are so many visiting places in Cuttack. First of all, we can see the Barapati Stadium, Barapati Fort, and we can see the Cuttack Chandi Temple. Then Cuttack High Court, Odisha High Court is there. In spite of that, SCP Medical College is the very famous place in Cuttack.
Sir, what are there in Bhadrak?
There are so many places in Bhadrak. That's why Bhadrak is famous for. First of all, I can say Bhadrak is famous for Bhadrakali Temple. Bhadrak is famous for Dhamra Port, Dhamrai Temple, etc.